Hey, what's up guys? Emmanuel here with another video again. Today I'm just going to show you another upgrade that I did to my headlights, my Honda Accord 2017 Honda Accord. So this upgrade is actually good for any Honda Accord 2016, 2017. All right, it could be the sport model, it could be the Touring. This is the Touring model, guys. So I did a upgrade to the headlights. All I did was change my LED daytime running light strip. As you see right there, I changed that. But that's not all you're gonna get, guys. The reason I'm doing this video is because I have two in one. When I say two in one, it's that strip you see right there. It's like turn signal and a daytime running light at the same time. So if you don't believe me, let me turn on the turn signal and you see. Once I turn on the turn signal, this gonna go off and the turn signal gonna light up. So just watch. Let's see what we got here, man. Dang. How cool is that, guys? How cool is this? You see what I have here, right? This is like two in one, a daytime running light and a turn signal. This right here is the factory turn signal, but the way I did the upgrade, it seems like this actually blend into this. So how cool is that, guys? Check it out. This thing right here at nighttime, it looks so pretty. I don't know if you guys could see any good image from the camera, but at nighttime, I've been having a lot of how you call that, compliments on this light. It's so beautiful. It's not just on one, guys. I have these things on both sides. So let's check out the passenger side and see. This is the driver side and this is what the passenger side look like. So right now I have my hazard lights on. That's why both actually line up at the same time. But as you can see, guys, at nighttime this thing is super bright and it's like this light up and the end over here. How cool is that, guys? This is what I got for you. If you want to know how to do these things on your own, just check out some of my videos. It's right there between some of my videos. You're gonna find the daytime running light fix video. The same way you move this headlight, the same way you get into the headlight and actually assemble the light, it's the same way. All I did was remove the existing one that I filmed in the video and replace with this one. So if you guys looking to get the same thing, I'm gonna put the link to this daytime running lights. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Make sure you check it out so you can get the right one. All right, let's one thing here. I installed this about a month ago. I wanted to wait to see if this light will keep up to a month before I film the video, but this thing's been running more than a month now. So I said, all right, so I trust it. As you all know, when the LED light is not good, less than 2 days is going bad. But this thing's been here for about a month now. I take it through several different car wash. It's still running good. Ma'am, I'm gonna post a link right in the description, guys. Don't forget to check it out. So check out when I turn off the turn signal, what happened. This right here is gonna go off and the daytime running light is gonna light up. Yeah. Oh, guys. So what do you think, guys? Isn't that cool, man? You got two different systems in just one light, and this things is super cheap, less than $10. Can you believe that? All I did was remove the manufacturer daytime running light strip and replace that. So like I say, if you check among some of my videos, you're gonna be able to see how you could upgrade your lights to get this beautiful system working right on your 2016 and 2017 Honda Accord. All right, so guys, give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will be coming up with a lot of cool videos. Like I said, I have a Honda Accord, I have a Toyota Highlander, and I do all kinds of servicing, tires, brakes, oil change, transmission fluid, whatever, man, you think about it. All right, so any little videos I got, I'm gonna post it right to the channel. So by you subscribing, you're gonna get all the latest videos just from one channel. Man, who knows, man, you're gonna get a fried chicken recipes on this channel. Give it a thumbs up, man. May God bless you guys out there.